Hello everyone, welcome to learndots, that is digitalization of teaching strategies. I'm really sorry for the late video because there was a lot of noise of construction and I could not shoot the video. So here, this is part 2 of OpenBoard. OpenBoard has got a lot of interactive features. We'll just directly zoom into the interactive features and talk more about it. So let's begin. So when you see, last time we were on OpenBoard part 1 software, that is here what you can see. We were just seeing about how the application works, like how is the stylus, how are the different colors, how is the background can be set. I just forgot to tell you about one more feature, that is if you want to have graphs, so you can have such white plain also, whiteboard also, a plain whiteboard. For writing material, you can have such a writing one part that appears like a notebook to you, on all that in black color also. So a black net interface for the graphs, it is well suited, and same lining also you can have. So that's a great feature that is upcoming with this open. So now we'll directly go to the application part that you are able to see on this. Just let me point out this side. So the applications, interactive and shapes, these are the some additional features that come up with the OpenBoard software. So we'll just begin seeing how they work on. Okay, I'll just select this plain board, and then first what you would like to see, interactives. So when we have an interactives, we can go and see that first is a cat pick. These are random games that you can play with your students, like this one, categorize a picture. You can add odd even numbers. For odd even identification, you can just put the numbers, like there are numbers 2 1 4 0. So if 2 is there, you have to put it even numbers 0, the odd numbers group 3, and the odd numbers group. So this is such, I'll just show you a glimpse of everything, because there are a lot of features and it would take a lot of time to categorize each and talk about all the features. So you just remember that you like, share and subscribe this video, and then further explore the video by opening the OpenBoard software, downloading. I hope you all have downloaded the OpenBoard software and have started using according to the first video. Now according to the second video, just start exploring more and more, start discovering more and more features about OpenBoard. This is a dice game, so you can roll on the dice for random choice, random pickup. Okay, so random pickup, you can use this is best for random picking of students. You can assign students roll numbers, and then for random pickups, you can just roll the dice. That is the same thing that we have got in classroom screen also. Now coming to the scale is best for telling the weights. So we have got couple of weights. So if we put it up here, like there is a 20 kg weight, so I need to plug in 5 5 5, one more, and 5. So this you can show on your digital platform, and the students can understand about weights and how they are measured in the system of shopkeepers or anywhere the weights where they are used. So X and 0, that is TikTok. So tic-tac-toe is something that we play X and 0 in our notebooks, but here is a fun to play with your students. That is, this is all about multiplication, division. So you need to just plug in your numbers, that is 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now I need to just search where is one more 1 coming up. So like here, and then this is player 1, player 2, and then you can play it out. So this is 3 plus 2. So same way you need to form a pattern and then TikTok. So this can be a multiplayer too. You can have for other players, like you can edit this, plus you can edit all the slates. Like this is got in the pad form, you can make it a slate form, and none, so better. The one looks like slave form is good one. And here you can see there are many more like split sentences when the students find it difficult to read out a sentence, so you can just split it like this is a bunch of words. So you can see how cool it is that you can pick up any sentence in this, just select it and then you can edit this part. Just so now here I have put up the sentence. I'll just reduce the spaces and ought to see the spaces. Now learning, okay, learning is always fun. So now this teachers who are in especially lower grade students, for below 5 students, you can also use this software and then learning cannot be stopped now. I'll just go more. There are many, you can check it out. There are many games here. You can see there are many memory games, there are order letter games, order picture games, selecting random games, train games. Okay, so but these all games are just based on the content, that is they are mainly based on maths, or they are based on application study based games they are, which are useful in the classroom as a fun time. Now coming to next, that is shapes. So a maths teacher would very well would know that the importance of the shapes. So you can see a 3D shapes that are available here in all shapes and size. I'll just fill up this board with different shapes for you to see. Okay, so this is something very useful: triangles, hexagons, pentagons, and all of them. Okay, now coming at, are they just in tiny shapes? No, you can just increase the shapes. And the last time, do you remember how did we make two shapes out of it? Like if I have one shape, then how can I duplicate the shape? Okay, you need to cut it out and paste, but there's one more thing. You can just use this, and 2 3, you got many of them. I'll just drag the board down and I'll pick up all of them separately. Okay, so this is the key feature. Okay, this icon that you see here, that helps you to do this. So isn't it cool? Automatically you can make several shapes, especially using geometry constructions. You need a lot of shapes, so you do not drag every time, you can just duplicate it. And for patterns also you need the same. Now moving ahead, we'll go to interactives. We have seen animation, movies, videos. You can just play it on here. You need not go separately on any URL. You need not go for YouTube videos. Just paste it already in your tab and then you can do it. Okay, I'll just need one more of this. So how to do that? One more page. So page 4 will be, we'll go for applications. So in applications you have a lot of things like mask. Now what do you mean by mask? So when you don't want to show the answers, for example, if I have this 2 plus 5 and 2 plus 5 is what? This is my question. Suppose 2 plus 5 is what? That question mark, and this answer is below down, it's 7. This is a very simple example that I am taking. I have already taught profit and loss with this and solved many of numericals, so it was very fun. So like 2 plus 5 is displayed, and then you can mask it out with this masking feature and then uncover it. it's fine. और भी कौन से फीचर्स हैं, जस्ट विल गो टू दिस मास्क वन, इसको यहाँ से निकालते हैं, रूलर को लेके आते हैं. सो यू हैव द रूलर टू ड्रॉ थिंग्स, ये देखिए, नाइस. यू हैव कंपास. जस्ट पिन आउट दिस कंपास, यहाँ पे हम इसको रखते हैं एंड ड्रॉ स्मूथ beautiful circle. Wow, I so love this. Making angles and things have become so easy by this. Okay? So you can just drag it out. 50 डिग्री का एंगल चाहिए आपको, 50 डिग्री मार्क करिए यहाँ पे with this and this. Okay, remove the projector and the angle is ready. Still not ready, still not ready. Arrows, 50 degree, angle A, B and C. Okay, now it's ready, now it's good. So you can just, I'll just display it over for you to see. What more? Triangles, that is set squares are also available. Okay, so these are couple of geometry instruments that you can use directly. We all make use of GeoGebras, but GeoGebra is little bit complicated to understand, but that is also a good software I would recommend for all, especially for mathematics. But here in handy you can just have it fast, and then like without any prior knowledge you can just learn it fastly, because it's very handy to use. Let's switch to next page, and this is magnifier. In order you want to zoom something, like you have written very tiny, okay, or if there is a text with you and they have got tiny words, so you want to zoom in or magnify this particular, or you want to point out to that particular word, then you can do that. Now let me make it very small by this small minus sign. Okay, now we'll just go on this. Okay, so we can see how beautiful. Yes, that's very cool. Actually, it's more to fun use OpenBoard rather than using it like I randomly go and use OpenBoard just to have fun. So this is catch, that is something odd, like you have some dustbin type thing, that is just you don't want it to be seen, so that will be hidden one. This is embed any URL or any video want to embed at particular point. Suppose if you are teaching a lesson and suppose it's digestion, so in digestion you have to show video at a particular point, like for stomach you have got some video, and during the stomach part only you want to embed a video, so you can just embed on stomach word that video. So this is any embed that is available. Color picker, you can color pick randomly, like I have told you that stylus has got just yellow, red, blue, green and brown colors, but you can have also lot of colors from this color picker, like you can choose a random color when you want. Calculator, that is, you know, that's good. Then there is geography, Google Maps directly, compass and timer. Sorry, this is horizon, this is compass, timer is below. HTML, notes, sticky notes. Then this is, you can open any streets you want to show during your geography lectures. So not only science and maths teachers, this video is for all the teachers. Stopwatch, video picker. If you want to pick a random video, okay, so that is also nice one. Right, video picker, like you just need to type in that which video you want, the software will search a video for you, it will search some links, and then you can randomly show up the video. So I told you during the part 1, if you have not seen the part 1, go back and see the part 1, that is the main core features of OpenBoard software, where you need not go anywhere out of the box to go and pick up go use YouTube. You just open the OpenBoard software during your lecture and then you can have all at one place. Especially when teachers find it difficult for screen sharing, because you're sharing something and you ask students, are you able to see? Are you able to see? Are you able to see? But the students are not able to see, or whether if you forgot the question, are you able to see, then big trouble has occurred to you. Okay, there is also a biology thing, that is cell, that they have made it just one eye cell, like you can zoom in with the features. So whole nucleus, factory RNA and all the structure, role, operations are available. So if you are teaching cells in your class, no need not search any other things, just this one feature, one board, OpenBoard, everything possible. So OpenBoard, open for all. There's a dictionary, Wikipedia. I told you, you need not go anywhere during your teaching to go and browse on other things, to inculcate various softwares. You can have all at one place. Just a proper lesson planning is needed before your class. What you not, otherwise you'll mess up showing up everything. Just remember that where are these things are located, and then you can have it. QR code, when you want to share some QR links, or when you want them to open to class dojo, or you want to tell them about QR codes that are in the textbooks also, or in any other digital platform to join in. So this is especially good one. Class dojo that I talked about. What is class dojo? We'll be seeing in upcoming videos, so you have to stay tuned. You have to subscribe to the channel, like and share it, because sharing is caring. So share more, learn more. More teachers will come to know about this. The more digitalization will happen in India, and this is what we need in India: a good and a right amount of content for you teachers to use, and especially the free contents. So this is all about OpenBoard software. If I haven't missed out anything, I just talked less about interactors because there are a lot of interactors and you need someone, students to play with on. So please download this software and start exploring the software. So thank you and stay tuned to LearnDots.